I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block notifications while driving on Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Apple CarPlay screen using your vehicle's built-in touchscreen or dial controls. Step 2. Tap Driving Focus from the list of available settings choices. Step 3. Locate the option labeled Activate with CarPlay and tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. Once this is enabled, your iPhone will automatically enter driving focus mode whenever it connects to your car. This will instantly quiet banner alerts and sound cues for text messages and other smartphone notifications. If you prefer to set this up or customize it before getting into your car, you can also configure the exact same feature directory on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Focus. Step 2. Tap Driving from the list of focus modes. If you do not see it, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and select Driving to add it. Step 3. Look under the Allowed Notifications section. From here, you can tap People or Apps to whitelist specific emergency contacts like a spouse or child so their urgent messages can still break through the silence while everyone else stays blocked. Step 4. Scroll down to the Turn On Automatically section, tap While Driving, and make sure either automatically or when connected to car Bluetooth is checked. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.